Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this Lowdown While on Lockdown episode. This is Crystal and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Zaniboni Tibi fixture. The single Tibi fixture comes in three main flavors: the Standard, the Tibi L, and the Tibi MT. Tibi is the smallest with a 0.7-inch diameter, and the Tibi L is the largest at 1.75 inches, so all super small diameter. The Tibi MT is the Tibi, but with a magnetic track mount connection. All versions are available in up to 48 inches tall in the tube size, so then the cord is on top of that. And there are three different diffuser options: clear, frosted, and champagne. I like champagne. I also like the champagne diffuser. The Tibi series also offers 5 standard finishes, 4 beam spreads, dimming to 1%, and an RGBW option, making it a minimalistic and functional design choice. The Tibi Rain is a collection of 10 Tibi fixtures of random lengths in random positions and installed on a 2x2 or 2x4 support. It is either surface mounted or recessed into the ceiling, depending on if you're installing on a drywall or a grid ceiling. And thanks to special hardware and a mud trim option, the canopy or trim becomes invisible in the ceiling plane. You can make it rain with all the standard options mentioned on the previous slide. The Tibi Sphere is an easy way of getting a cool cluster of Tibi fixtures in a round shape without being forced to endure selecting them individually and then just giving up and specifying a globe. If you would prefer a rhombus shape, that's on you. Oh, hey, fun fact I learned while making this, that there is a candy called Tibi that looks delicious and doesn't appear to be welcome in most candy aisles in the US. If you know where I can get some, please email me. That's all. Thanks.